I came to pick up steel and yeah, okay, just packing the car for a trip to Albania. And this road to the steel mill is ridiculous.
Kažu da je Bosna samo država za rođaka I da smo na vrhu liste po odlivu mozaka. Opet Iran pravi nuklearne bombe, žvaka čisti zube ali zvaljuje plombe. Što je babi milo, to joj se isnilo. Kažu na Jamajci ganđu prodaju na kilo. Nemoj vode vruć, kod nas toplu ubija.
So Franzi, where are we right now? What are we doing?
We are at one of a lot of borders right now, from Macedonia to Albania, and let's see if we get through.
Why wouldn't we get through?
Well, there are quite different passports, and all of them are super overwhelmed with Frank's residence permit. There he is. Yeah, overwhelmed and don't know what to do. It's something special. Maybe we can pay them with these awesome strawberries.
How long have we been driving for?
Well, 2 full days with a break in between. So that's maybe 18 hours already.
Mm-hmm.
Hey Jess, what are you doing there? What's that?
You know, I actually have no idea. I'm not an ecologist. I'm kidding. Weather station. This is maybe what we go through everything. Solar panel.
Wow.
This is wind direction. And this is wind speed, and this is a temperature probe with a radiation shield. This is a rain gauge. This is a light sensor.
Cool.
We want to know about weather conditions while we work in the stream and in the river.
Because
everything that lives in rivers also reacts to weather.
Because the models also take in the local
Exactly. And some of the ecosystem function models basically
will benefit from this area.
Will benefit from this data, yes.
Exactly.
Thanks, Frank.
You guys are great. This is great content.
Kažu ako nemaš stav, odmah ti ga stave. Da su plavke gluplje nego trke I brinete I da okus bude bolji s kašikom vegete. Neće nikad prestat plave da nam pune, sve dok je ovaca neće falit vune. Spale su nam gaće, zagrizli smo udice, glave nam u pjesku, nezaštićene guzice. Kažu da je smak svijeta relativno blizu I da su nas banke uvukle u krizu. Ne tjeraju na izbore svake 2 godine, a ja glasam za kafanu I marihuanu. Od Vatikana do Irana, kao da smo juče pali iz Kana. Od Vatikana do Irana, majmunu je dovoljna banana. Od Vatikana do Irana, kao da smo juče pali iz Kana. Od Vatikana do Irana, ilegalna je marihuana.
So we just finished securing our loggers and our one turbidity logger, 1 out of 8, and we just secured it. I'll show you. Here we have the bridge. Here we have the beautiful Vjosa river. During springtime, the water rises and covers all of this sediment. And right now we're, I guess, in spring, but in mid to late May, so the water is lower. We secured the turbidity logger in one of these posts. It's hidden underwater, so no one will hopefully go out and get it. Just to get a scale of how big this river is, you can see Gabriel and Frank down there So it's a pretty big freaking river. Here we have all of our gear, car, beautiful river. But what I wanted to show you is, look, this is how, look at all this trash. This is how trash is transported into the ocean. So you have trash here, you have all of these glass bottles, plastic bags, etc. The water level rises, picks all of this trash up, and takes it to the Adriatic Sea. So if you remember the one video I made about your plastic-free life isn't helping, a lot of people were mad, by the way, about that video. This is what I mean by infrastructure. People here don't have anywhere to dump their trash, and so the trash gets dumped on the side of the river rises, trash goes away, voila, problem solved. And the whole point of that video was just to say that we need to invest and help more in infrastructure and less in, you know, avoiding plastic, because, I mean, it's not just plastic here. You can see that it's also glass bottles. And the glass gets transported into the ocean too. So no matter which piece of trash it is, plastic or glass, there's no infrastructure, so it still gets dumped here and gets sent away into the ocean by the river. So that's just my little 2 cents.